Hi, Michael.
Hi, Amy. What's up?
Great. Actually, I'm looking for the airport. Do you know where it is?
Sorry, I don't know.
Oh, but that's okay. I'll take the subway. Do you know where the subway is?
I think it's over there.
Where? I don't see it.
Across the street.
Ah, okay, now I see it. Thank you so much. Do you know if there is a restroom around here?
Yes, there's one here. It's in the store.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye. Hi, Michael.
Muraho, Michelle.
Hi, Amy. What's up?
Muraho, Amy. Amakuruchi.
I'm looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there?
Ndimo ndashakisha ahantu ikibuga kiri. Ushobora kumbwira uko nagerayo?
No, sorry, I don't know.
Oya, wihangane simazi.
I think I'll take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is?
Ndatekereza ko nshobora guca inzira y'abanyamaguru njya kuri airport ku kibuga cy'indege. Ese waba uzi aho iyo nzira iherereye?
Sure, it's over there.
Yego, iri hakurya hariya.
Where? I don't see it.
Hese, ko ntahabona.
Across the street.
Wambutse agahanda.
Oh, I see it now. Thanks.
Oh, ndayibonye noneho. Urakoze.
No problem.
Nta kibazo.
Do you know if there is a restroom around here?
Ese waba uzi niba hari ubwiherero aha hafi?
Yes, there's one here. It's in the store.
Yego, burahari hano hafi, buri mu magazine.
Thank you.
Urakoze.
Bye.
Urabeho.
Bye.
Na urabeho.